Yes. So what will the first point? Property is given. So we'll start with, if you want, you may write property value so and so. I'll not write that. I'll write directly policy value. Policy value is equal to property value into property value into rate of policy. What is property value? 5 lakhs into 80%. 0, 0 got cancelled, this 0 and this 0 got cancelled, 5 8s are. So this will be 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs, agreed? Next, policy value होने के बाद, what is the next step? What is next step? Premium. They have given you premium, but they have not given rate. थोड़ा सा उल्टा है, but anyway, we'll write that formula premium. Premium is given to you, rate निकालना आपको. Premium is equal to what? Premium is equal to, premium depends on policy value. Premium is equal to policy value into what? Policy value into rate of premium, which we don't know, which we have to calculate. Rate of premium. Premium, value of premium, is it given to you? Yes. Premium कितना है हमको मालूम है. We don't have to calculate premium. Premium is 13,000. Agree? All of you agree 13,000 is premium? If he pays 13,000 as premium, he pays 13,000 as premium, so 13,000 is premium. What is policy value? अभी अभी हम लोग ने calculate किया है. We have just calculated it. It's 4 lakh into rate of premium. We don't know. If you want, you may say that X will do, fine, upon 100. Agreed? Or you may say rate of premium upon 100. So this zeros and this zeros got cancelled. So what it is? 13,000 divided by 4,000 is equal to X. Agreed? Harsh, it will be rate of premium beta. Rate of premium. Policy rate इतना छोटा नहीं आता है. Okay, yeah. Okay, no problem, no problem. So now zeros got cancelled. 13 upon 4 easily can be done. 13 upon 4. 13 upon 4. 4 3s are 12. 1.0. 4 2s are 8. 2 left 20. 4 5s are 20. 3.25. Rate will be, Selvin, rate will be always in percent form beta. Rate will be always in percent form. 3.25 is equal to X. Lopez, Selvin, any rate by default it will be in percent form. So 3.25 percent form में ना तो X upon 100. If it is 5%, how do you write 5%? How do you write 5%? 5% is 5 upon 100. So now I'm taking it as X percentage. Right now I'm assuming the rate as X percentage. What do you mean by X percentage? X percentage means X upon 100. Selvin, I'm assuming the rate to be X percentage. चाहिए तो लिख ले इधर. Let the rate of premium be X percentage. Hello, not clear? कैसे आएगा? नहीं आएगा गौरी. 100 नहीं लिया तुमने तो आपका आंसर आएगा. आपका आंसर कितना आएगा? 3.25 नहीं आएगा बेटा. 3.25 नहीं आएगा. हाँ, 3.25 अपॉन 100. यस, वो ऐसा आ सकता है. बात बराबर है. ओके, हाँ, दैट इज राइट. 3.25 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. ओके, चलो, क्या मिल गया? क्या मिल गया हमको? प्रीमियम मिल गया. क्लियर? और स्टिल डाउट? बेटर यू टेक दैट 100 देयर. X अपॉन 100. लेट द रेट ऑफ प्रीमियम बी X परसेंटेज. चलो, लाइन लिख ही देता हूं मैं इधर. इधर बीच में लाइन डाल दो. Let rate of premium is equal to X percentage. टेंशन ही नहीं चाहिए. Put that line here in between. अभी क्या चाहिए? कमीशन. कमीशन किस पे कैलकुलेट होता है? कमीशन इज कैलकुलेट ऑन व्हाट? कमीशन इज कैलकुलेट ऑन प्रीमियम. प्रीमियम पे कैलकुलेट होता है. तो कमीशन इज इक्वल टू प्रीमियम इनटू rate of what? Commission is equal to premium into rate of commission. What is amount of premium? I'm not asking you rate of premium. I'm asking you amount of premium. What is amount of premium? What is amount of premium? 13,000. And what is rate of commission? What is rate of commission? 11%. So 13,000. Premium is rupees 13,000. Amount of premium is 13,000. Into rate of premium we calculate, which is 3.25. 3.25 is rate of commission. Into rate of commission. 3.25 is rate of premium and 11% is rate of commission. 0, 0 got cancelled. 130 into 11. So 0. 11 3s are 33. 3 carry. 11 1s are 11 and 3 14. 1430. Commission. हो गया. Write down the final answer. क्या पूछा था? Rate of premium and agent's commission. Rate of premium is if I write just 3.25, it is not correct. क्या लिखना पड़ेगा 3.25 के आगे? 3.25 के आगे क्या लिखना पड़ेगा मेरे को याद से? परसेंट लिखना पड़ेगा. Rate it is there, so percent. Rate of premium is 3.25%. And agent commission or commission. If you want, you may say agent commission. Commission is rupees. Commission will be expressed in terms of rupees 1430. I hope even this sum was easy. Any doubt, anyone? Easy ekdam? Chalo, how much time is there? 10 minutes more. Okay. Let's move on to the next. Shall I start with the next one? Okay. Question number 4 now. A building is insured for 75% of its value. Building is insured for 75%. So what is 75%? 75% is a rate, definitely, but rate of what? रेट ऑफ पॉलिसी. मैंने अभी अभी बोला पॉलिसी का रेट ज्यादा होता है, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80% ऐसा होता है. 75% ऑफ इट्स वैल्यू. द एनुअल प्रीमियम.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, SYJC कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें. और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथ.
The annual premium at 0.70%. परसेंट है यार. तो ये क्या हो गया? How much it is? 0.07%. 0.70%. Percent means upon 100. If you want to remove the decimal point, then different aspect. Okay, you can say that. Right now let me write 0.70 upon 100. Yes, which is equal to point निकालने का है, it is 70 upon point निकालना है तो yes, वो बाद में करेंगे. Okay, amounts to rupees. What is that rate? ये 0.7 upon 100. 0.7% is a rate of what? It is rate of what? It is the rate of premium. Premium rate. And amounts to rupees 2625. What is 2625? 2625 is what? Premium. 2625 is premium. This amount is premium amount. This amount is premium. If the building is damaged to the extent of 60% due to fire, building is damaged. Damage means loss. Damage is a loss. कितना loss है? How much is the loss? 60%, to the extent of 60%. A building is damaged to the extent of 60% due to fire. How much can be claimed under the policy? आपको claim निकालना है इस बार. क्या calculate करना है? Claim. This is full-fledged problem. Okay. करे चलो. तो करे के चलो. आपको कौन सा अमाउंट दिया उन लोग ने पहला? Which amount is given to you first? premium amount is given. How much is the premium amount? 2625. 2625. So let me start with the answer. Okay. Now, what is the formula of premium? I'll not go for property. Property value निकाल रहा हूं मैं, but premium का formula क्या? Because premium amount is given. Premium is equal to policy value into policy value into rate of premium. आराम से. दोस्तों पॉलिसी वैल्यू का भी आपको फॉर्मूला आता है. पॉलिसी वैल्यू, व्हाट इज फॉर्मूला ऑफ पॉलिसी वैल्यू? Formula of policy value. So I'll say premium as it is. Premium is equal to policy value का formula क्या था? Policy value is equal to. So instead of writing policy value, in place of policy value, what I'll write? Property value. Can I do this? Property value into rate of policy. If you want, you may put a bracket for this. This is what? ये क्या है? Property value into rate of policy. This is what? Formula for policy value into. Let me change the color and write it down for you. ये आपके लिए लिख रहा हूं मैं, एग्जाम में नहीं लिखना है. ये पॉलिसी वैल्यू का फॉर्मूला लिख दिया मैंने. Correct? This is policy value. Whatever I'm writing with black color, you don't have to write in exam. आगे क्या करो? Into rate of premium. Into rate of premium. Now, dear student, tell me what you know from this formula. आपको क्या क्या पता है इसमें से? Do you know premium? क्या आपको प्रीमियम मालूम है? Yeah, you can do it in two different steps. You can. I'm not doing it. Premium, yes, we know premium. Do you know property value? Do you know property value? No. Do you know rate of policy? Do you know rate of policy? Yes. Do you know rate of premium? Yes. तो क्या अभी प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू मिल जाएगा कि नहीं मिलेगा? We know premium, we know rate of policy, we know rate of premium. Only thing we don't know is property value. So we can calculate property value. So let me write now. What I'll write? Premium. How much is the premium? 2625 is equal to property value. Write as it is, or you may write X for property value. Let property value be X. I'm writing property value as it is, property value. You can do that, but we'll require property value, Drishti. Afterwards, we are going to calculate loss. For loss, we'll require property value. So anyway, you have to calculate property value into rate of policy. If you want, you can calculate first the policy and then you calculate the property value in two steps. What is rate of policy? What is rate of policy? What is rate of policy? 75%. That is 75 upon 100 into rate of premium. What is rate of premium? Premium rate is how much? 0.70 upon 100. It's not 70%, Amit. Okay, इसको कल सॉल्व कर दे. We'll solve it tomorrow. हाँ चलेगा. You calculate first the policy value and then you calculate property value. वो भी चलेगा. But proper policy value is not required, so I'm not calculating. या policy value भी लगेगा. Policy value भी calculate करना पड़ेगा. We require both policy as well as property value. So you can do that. Okay. So we'll stop here. Tomorrow we'll continue. Tomorrow you have a lecture. Okay. Bye. Thank you. This I'll save. Bye bye.